Hi guys, welcome once more. So today we are going to talk about money, and we all love money. Money is good, especially when you're tight on your budget and you need some extra money to help yourself, or even some need money like for everything. So today I'm going to talk about transcription services and how you can make money using transcription just online in your home using a few items that you will need. So today I will talk about approximately 4 items concerning transcription services. First of all, we will describe what transcription is. We will also give maybe businesses and the importance of transcriptions. We'll also talk about basic skills needed for transcription, equipment needed, and common transcription companies or websites. So be here and wait for that information. And as we do that, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel so that we can grow and continue learning more of how to be wealthy and make an extra income. What is transcription? Transcription is a business service that converts speech either in form of audio or video into a written or electronic text document. So there are different services that use transcriptions, and this can be medical organization, legal organizations, educational institutions, market research, motivational speech, public companies, and all these are so important because this information helps to provide written records to keep important information. And through written or electronic documents, companies are able to avoid disputes, create different products for business efficiency, to fulfill legal requirements. It can also help you to improve CEO strategy and also to archive content. And so you know that when you go into this business, you need to provide that document in a way that is presentable and can help these companies to benefit from the content that you're providing. And if you're good, that is also a way in which you can be paid top dollars in this business. And so what are some of the skills that you need when you want to venture into transcription? Number one is active listening. Active listening is the ability to focus on a speaker and hear everything they say. If you're a good active listener, you can comprehend the message others try to convey and develop a thoughtful response. This skill helps improve your communication and relationships with others. Active listening is an important skill for transcriptions or professionals who translate audio and video for their job because they need to listen carefully in order to transcribe a conversation accurately based on the fact that the speakers come from different countries, different languages, and thus the English or any other language is affected by where they come from. So you need to be an active listener. Typing skills. Typing skills. The task of transcribing requires one to document all the words in an audio file or conversation. To do this, you need the ability to type quickly with accuracy. Typing is a useful skill for any professional since technology is a large part of nearly all industries. You can develop and improve your typing skill through practice and exercise and classes. Number 3, communication. The ability to speak and write improves your language skill and contributes to having a higher comprehension level. Being able to communicate meaning through written speech is essential since the fundamental aspect of transcription is to write. In order to transcribe an audio or a video, it is helpful to be an excellent communicator. This can help anticipate speech and help with speed and accuracy when transcribing. Computer skills. Computer skills are abilities to understand computer functions and use the technology to perform tasks. Transcription requires only basic computer skills. This includes being able to open documents, use common applications such as Microsoft Office, social media platforms, and email. So that is as simple as that. We have editing. Editing skills are abilities to read written language, identify errors, and correct them. This skill relies on a wide vocabulary, strong comprehension, communication, and grammar. Editing promotes accuracy in transcription. You need to be a multitasker. So multitasking is the ability to perform multiple tasks at once or divide your focus into several topics at the same time. Being able to perform multiple tasks simultaneously can be very useful when transcribing because you can listen, type, and edit at once. Multitasking may also help improve the speed at which you type out the transcription. Time management. Time management is the ability to plan and organize your tasks in order to complete them in a suitable amount of time. This may help promote productivity and help you meet deadline. Transcribing is often a solitary assignment, so time management skills can help you on task. Since creating transcriptions also relies on speed, time management skills may also help improve your quickness without losing accuracy. Attention to detail. Attention to detail means that you have excellent skills of observations and take care to perform tasks correctly. This skill uses other abilities such as keen observation and analytical skills to review and access information or an environment. This is important in the transcription process and helps ensure there are no errors and that you transcribe audio accurately. Attention to detail skills may help you deliver high quality work consistently. And the last and the most important skill is research. Research skills are the ability to find information, validate source, and identify solutions to problems. You may transcribe on a variety of topics, and being able to research these topics can help you become familiar with the vocabulary related to the topic. You may also perform research to learn how to spell words in the audio you transcribe. So those skills are so important because it helps you to deliver a quality document which can improve your grade and also help you get that top dollar that you're talking about when you want especially to make that extra income. So having given you the skills, the last item we will talk about is common transcription companies. There are several transcription companies that you can get or apply so that you can be working from there. I'll just give and I'll just list them so that you can go out there and look each item independently, these websites independently, and in later videos I will give in detail these companies and how they operate. So we have rev.com, verbit.ai, transcribeme.com, scribby.com, transcribe.io. These are the 5 websites that you can go and check out. The companies as well. Go check out those websites and you can be able to apply and be employed on those terms. These companies, which can either be an individual or large organizations, have different rates and methods of pricing. That can be per line, per word, per minute, or per hour, which differs from an individual or a company, from an individual to an individual, and industry to industry, or company to company, depending. So having said that, so it is up to you to go out there, and in a later video I will be probably giving in detail how each company operates and how each you can get employment from these different companies. So with that, and if you have reached here in this video, kindly help by subscribing.